The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G for Verizon Wireless. So, as of this video recording, the A71 is up for pre-order, but when this video goes live on YouTube, the phone will be available for purchase. So this phone will be released on July 16th. That's when this video will be live on YouTube. So the A71 5G will be $15 a month for 24 months, or $649.99 for retail price. So not too bad there. So if you guys are looking for an affordable 5G smartphone, this is the one to take a look at. It's very nice. Specs on it are good as well. So it's available in person bricks block. So it's pretty cool, and you'll have 128 gigabytes of storage. So pretty awesome right there. So that's the phone that in front of you. Very nice phone, like I said. You do have your whole punch for your front facing camera. Volume keys, power button on the right side of the phone. Right side of the phone, like I said, power and volume keys. On the back of the Galaxy A71, you do have full cameras, camera flash, and the Samsung logo. And it looks like it has this textured back on it or whatever. It's pretty interesting on the back. It's pretty interesting. So you do get 4 cameras in the rear, so it's pretty nice. I don't see nothing on the right side of the phone. I don't see nothing on the right side of the phone. My bad. And there's the phone number again. Probably your SIM card is at the top of the phone here, I guess. It's not on the left side of the phone. So I'm guessing your SIM card and micro SD card will be on the top of the phone. So pretty interesting place to put it. So yeah, so it says it right there. Pre-order currently as of this video recording, but when this video goes live on YouTube, the phone will be available for purchase. So the release date is July 16th. So yeah. So the A71 has 13.3 days of standby time, 27.31 hours of use system, a 64 megapixel main rear camera, and it's 2.98 inches in width and 6.41 inches in height. There. So it says meet the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G, the phone that gives you an all-access pass to 5G speeds and next generation connectivity. Cheap pro-grade photos with the versatile quad lens camera and film super smooth videos of moving subjects even when you're moving. The large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED infinity display lets you view, tap, and swipe all of your favorite content in vivid color and true-to-life detail. And the long-lasting battery with fast charging capabilities will have you cruising through your day without interruption. Do more of what you love with the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G and Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network. Leave lag time behind. Experience all Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband has to offer on the Galaxy A71 5G. Stream your favorite content in seconds or download the latest games with near zero lag. Don't wait for downloads. Get real-time connectivity so you can get more done without the wait. And like I said, you do get 4 cameras on the back. So you have a 5 megapixel depth camera, 64 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. So that's pretty cool. So it's a camera that rivals the pros. Get studio quality photos with the quad lens camera. A 64 megapixel main lens captures crystal clear images and stunning detail even in low light conditions. Shoot jaw-dropping vistas with the 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, or use the 5 megapixel portrait lens to get professional looking photos every time. Super steady shots. Super steady mode lets you take remarkably clear, ultra HD quality videos of fast moving subjects while you are moving. Shoot your kid's first bike ride as you run alongside, or film your friend crossing the finish line by running with him. Superior stability gives you smooth photos and videos with minimum blur, so you can capture all the moments that matter. Edge-to-edge entertainment. All your favorite entertainment memories and minutes come to life on the large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity display. With vivid true-to-life colors and rich contrast, this screen will elevate your viewing experience to the next level. So you do have 4,500 mAh battery, so that is a win. Says here, more doom, less charging. Says share, scroll, and snap through a busy day with the Galaxy A71 5G's long-lasting, fast-charging battery. Spend less time looking for an outlet and more time doing what you love with a battery that won't quit before you do. And if you need a quick recharge, fast charging will get you fueled up in no time. So, pretty nice. Specs on the A71 5G, you do have 5G before, so it does have, so this is a world device, so pretty nice. It will work in over 200 countries. 13.3 days of standby time, 27.31 hours of usage time, a 64 megapixel main camera on the back, a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, which is pretty cool. Your dimensions are 2.98 inches in width. The frame weight is 6.63 ounces. The height of the A71 is 6.41 inches. The depth is 0.33 inches. Like I said, you do have a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity display with Full HD Plus resolution. That's 1080 by 2400 pixels. 4500 mAh battery. Android 10 with one UI. You'll have 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. So that's pretty cool. So the Verizon version has 8 gigs. I think the Sprint version has 6 gigs, and the T-Mobile version has 6 gigabytes of RAM. But the Verizon version has 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's pretty fucking awesome. You do have micro SD up to 1 terabyte. There's a SAR rating, Serenade network, 5G network, 4G network there. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, and that is a 5G processor. That's like a mid-range processor. So it is quad core, and so it's a quad core processor. Snapdragon 765G processor. You do have Google Assistant and Bixby, of course. Good thing you don't have the Bixby button, because but you can use either one or use both voice assistants. I prefer Google Assistant because Google Assistant is awesome. You also have HD voice, of course. So experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data, enable Wi-Fi calling, and may cause anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. Of course, you also have LTE Advanced as well, and that will give you 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. So pretty nice. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A71 smartphone, Verizon is here to help you out with that. Says that Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So that's a great tool to check out if you guys ever need help with your phone. Device support is a great tool. So what you guys get in the box is a Samsung Galaxy A71 5G smartphone. Pre-install SIM card, you get SIM ejection pin, wall charger, USB cable, which is a Type-C cable, and fast charging, of course. I don't know the wattage. I don't know I don't know if it's 15 watts or whatever, but you do get fast charging. I'm not sure about the wattage. Quick reference guide and terms and conditions. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G is now here at Verizon Wireless. It's currently up for pre-order as of this video recording. But when this video goes live on YouTube, this one will be available for purchase. So you can get this one for $15 a month for 24 months, or pay full retail price at $649.99. And I think at $649.99 it's definitely worth the pickup. If you're looking for an affordable 5G smartphone, this is the one to take a look at. It's a very nice phone. Great specs and everything else. Like I said, the Verizon version will have 8 gigabytes of RAM, so that's pretty cool. The Sprint version has 6 gigabytes of RAM, and the T-Mobile version has 6 gigabytes of RAM as well. So if you guys want this phone, the Verizon version is one to get, and you will get access to Verizon's 5G network. So that is pretty awesome. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G from the Verizon Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.